Dugay ka?
Okay na, sir.
This class? Then, put your name na. Okay na?
Yes, sir. Okay na.
Right na, full name. Now, before we start, what do you know about Jose Rizal? Okay. Raise your hand, please. Okay, Trace. Writer. What did you write? What did you write? Huh? Very good, very good. Now we are going to talk about Manila Langere. What else do you know about this son? So what do you think made him the national hero?
Because he fought through his life and he fought through his forces of justice.
Very good. Very good. Okay, what else? Who else? Who else? Okay, Laika. What is spirit remains standing is? What made his contributions, let's say, what made this contribution significant? What made this affect the Philippines?
So what was the contribution is history levels, which is the vocabulary and the which portrays about the Spanish colonization and how the Spaniards enslaved us in our country.
Very good, very good. Now, first things first is of course, let us read the results letter to Marcelo H. Pilar. Candy, please read it out here from your chest. I, louder.
I appreciate
Suggest. Ha? No, I'm serious. I, tulungan.
I appreciate your efforts to awaken our countrymen from their authority, while I believe we must be cautious. We are dealing with a powerful enemy, and we must not give them any pretext to us. We must work patiently and prudently always, even to educate and enlighten our people. We must avoid any tears of suspicion for that will only give them an excuse to persecute us. We must work with peaceful means, communication and work until the day when our people are ready to take their rightful place.
Okay, please remain standing. Hasta naman ako. So, based on what you read, as a future educator, what does Rizal mean to our fellow countrymen? What is the message that he tries to tell us? You can answer in the
Educate the people from the slavery of the established.
Yes, correct. But can we start with not that clear? as a future educator, how important is education? How important? Like, why is it important? Imagine mo, wala ka rin. Let's say, wala ka rin. What is the difference of you not being here, then, actually being here? What have you learned? What impact does education have in your life? What? Okay, sige na. Isa lang word. Correct. Very good. Now, the thing about education is that education teaches us to think outside our experiences, that there are much more things other than what is in front of us. Meaning, di forget ang experience nyo, amo lang na ang makuha. So, based in the context of the Spanish Revolution, during their times, the Filipinos are only basing their knowledge on what they have in front of them. Di nila alam, hindi makukuha sila. Imagine mo, kung tumigo hari lang, niliwas mo, wala, very good. But, imagine mo, may video ba? Would you prefer to know that he is cheating, or would you rather be ignorant with it? Ikaw, stand straight face. Yes, that was the case in Spanish period. Because, just like your cheating boyfriend, we want to know that